Hey there, let's talk about cleaning. Specifically, how much time you spend vacuuming and mopping every week. If you're tired of the endless cycle, I've got something that's going to change your life. Meet the FIXR T20 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. A smart, self-emptying cleaning machine that's here to make your floors spotless without any effort. Let me tell you why this robot is a game changer. First off, this isn't just a vacuum, it's a two-in-one cleaning powerhouse. It vacuums and mops so you can tackle dust, dirt, and stains all at once. Whether you've got hardwood floors, carpets, or tiles, this robot has you covered. And with 4 levels of suction power and 3 levels of water adjustment, it adapts to your cleaning needs perfectly. Plus, it's got a floating main brush and HEPA filter that's designed to pick up pet hair and debris without getting tangled. If you've got pets, you know how big of a deal that is. Now here's where it gets even better. The FIXR T20 comes with a self-emptying station that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and dust. That's right, 60 days of hands-free cleaning. No more emptying the dustbin after every use. Just set it up, let it do its thing, and enjoy your free time. And with a 3200 mAh battery, it can clean up to 2200 square feet on a single charge. That's enough to handle even the biggest homes. But wait, it gets smarter. This robot uses LiDAR Navigation and USLAM Air 5.0 technology to map your home with laser precision. It creates accurate maps, avoids obstacles, and even has night vision to clean in the dark. You can set up no-go zones or virtual walls through the app, so it knows exactly where to clean and where to avoid. It's like having a cleaning assistant with a built-in GPS. Here's another cool feature. You can control it in 3 different ways. Use the app to schedule cleanings or switch modes, grab the remote control for quick adjustments, or just use voice commands with Alexa. It's so convenient, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Oh, and did I mention it can save up to 3 maps? That means it can handle multiple floors or areas of your home with ease. So, if you're ready to ditch the mop, the broom, and the hassle of cleaning, the FIXR T20 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is here to make your life easier.